وَلَقَدْ and certainly خَلَقْنَا السَّمَاوَاتِ we created the heavens وَالْأَرْض and earth وَمَا بَيْنَهُمَا and whatever lies between them فِي سِتَّةِ أَيَّامٍ in 6 yawm, 6 days or 6 stages. وَمَا and not مَسَّنَا touched us مِن لُغُوبٍ fatigue. Allah Almighty says that certainly we created the heavens and the earth and whatever lies between them in 6 days or 6 stages, and no fatigue touched us. وَمَا مَسَّنَا مِن لُغُوبٍ and no fatigue touched us. We have written a chapter, Allah. In that chapter we have discussed few of the attributes of Allah Almighty. That Allah Almighty is the supreme being and He is immortal. No understanding can fully comprehend Him.